Hello, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you a super amazing smoothie recipe that is packed full with vital nutrients. This smoothie recipe will cleanse you from inside out. It will help flush out excess toxins, excess fat. It will help you burn body fat, lose tummy weight. It will help alkalize your system. It will help cleanse your liver. It will help you lose weight while achieving a glowing skin. With that being said, let's get right into the video, and please remember to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. The first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe are carrots. Carrots are very vital for the skin. It contains beta carotene, and beta carotene helps to improve the texture and the elasticity of the skin, helping you get a glowing skin. So we'll be using 3 pieces of carrots for this recipe, and we're going to slice them into little quantities. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is cucumber. We'll be using half cucumber. Cucumber are packed filled with vital nutrients. It helps to alkalize the system. It helps to cleanse. We've sliced it into little quantities, so we're going to set it aside. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is pineapple. Pineapple are loaded with nutrients. They support the immune system. They contain cancer-fighting substances. It helps to remove excess toxins from the body. So we're going to use the pineapple is half already, but we are going to cut it into another half. That's making it quarter. We'll be using a quarter pineapple for this recipe. We're slicing it into small sizes. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is ginger. Ginger is packed filled with nutrients. It aids weight loss. It helps you burn tummy fat. It helps reduce heart diseases. It improves your metabolism. It speeds up your metabolism, helping you get rid of excess toxins from the body. The ginger, I didn't remove the peel of the ginger because the back of the ginger contains healing properties. So we're going to just cut it into small size. We used ½ inch of ginger. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is turmeric. These are just little sizes of turmeric, about ½ an inch of turmeric. Turmeric are packed filled with nutrients. They are beneficial to your skin health. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that help fight diseases. So we'll be using turmeric. That's the 4th ingredient for this recipe. Then the next ingredient we'll be adding, is it really an ingredient? We'll be adding water. A glass of water to this recipe. So now all our ingredients are set. It's now time to blend. So the first ingredient we'll be adding to our blender is our pineapple. And we'll be adding our cucumber. We'll add our carrots, our ginger and turmeric. And lastly, we'll be adding our glass of water. This particular smoothie, when you drink it, you'll be glowing because it will make you glow. So after blending it into a very smooth and fine consistency, it's now ready to drink. I would suggest you take it in the morning because it contains a lot of fiber and it will keep you really full, so you don't have to eat unnecessarily. till when it's time for lunch. Ensure to try out this recipe, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. Thank you.